How's it going? For those of you who love tutorials, especially ones that may not turn out, I literally told you you're not doing my hair today.
No, haircut pink.
We're not doing appointments anymore, there's COVID.
I will.
Go back to your basement.
No, I live in closet.
Oh, well. What a day, you guys! You may know us from Chic Vids. Today is a fun tutorial. I'm literally a few cocktails in and we're gonna dye my hair a pastel pink.
Pastel pink, y'all.
Hunter, I told
Don't be
you.
pinky as a pig.
No more hair appointments, Hunter. Remember last time you literally shaved half my head off?
It wasn't my fault, that was the buzzer. It smells like peppers in there.
It does smell like pee in here. Not from us, from the dogs. Today I'm going to do a tutorial for those of you who are looking to maybe add a fun rose gold tone or pastel pink. I'm new to this. I'm very excited because I just got a ton of Wella products for my curly hair. I don't know if anybody else has this texture. I don't know where this came from, so. And Cujo has no hair, so I don't know why he...
So we're gonna make it a nice salmon punk. So we're gonna probably put a little bit of hair, do some highlights. Make sure I cut off the dead ends. Oh no! We'll go over to that side, and we're gonna do like a stroke of punk, and then the top will just leave dark. Alright, see you later.
Alright, for those of you that missed it, Cujo just explained it. Moving on. God. Bless me, folks. Alright, so, first things first, I'm sure most of you know, but I did also cut my own hair, and I cut my own hair and I love it. My hair was long, bleachy, and had really bad split ends. It's recovering from this photo, which is when I dyed it pitch black. Don't do that. So for those of you blondes, dirty blondes, darker haired blondes, a darker toned hair, this might be fun. We'll see. First things first, you're gonna want to blow dry. Just blow dry. If you washed it right before, that's fine. I'm told it is good on dry, clean hair or just dry hair, but my hair was greasy and sweaty, so I just cleaned it, y'all. You're welcome. Then you go grab yourself a cocktail, okay? Get yourself someone who was... Mom! She's gonna do it for me. I'll be just
I'm here. You do pink, it's just shit.
You wanna blow dry?
No, no, pink.
Oh, alright guys, we're back. The colors that we have today, Nudist Pink from Wella, and then the Tomorrow Clear is what I'm going to be mixing.
I was a stylist, for Christ's sake.
Girl, I am drinking vodka tonic and about to dye my daughter's hair pink.
Girl, I'm drinking tequila.
Yes!
Diet ginger ale.
I think that's it.
Okay, here we go. Okay. All right, guys, we have the whole posse here. Okay, so for Wella, we have Nudist Pink, which is an amazing, amazing color. I've already looked up all the reviews, so I'm excited. Luckily, we have Tomorrow Clear. We're going to be mixing those together because it makes it pastel. Now, you also are going to want, obviously, a comb to brush it through. So, and then a bowl and a plastic spoon from your delivery. So, you know you got a lot of these. Alright guys, so we have done the mixing. Obviously, you're going to want to use gloves, whoever does it for you. And then you are going to want to rub it over the crown of your hair. So start there, end it there, watch, and here we go. Yay!
Sit still, the child cheerleader.
Alright guys.
The final product, everyone.
Yeah, this is it. It's just going to be greasy and your skull's going to be pink, so.
So it's not like a crazy pink, obviously.
Alright, so right now, after you have mixed the colors, depending on the pastel vibe you want, or if you want bright pink, do the Nudist Pink from Wella. all by itself. I added the clear with it because obviously this, by the way, is the color. It's amazing. But you're gonna want their clear to mix in, or else it will be bright pink. For me, I did not want bright. I wanted it very subtle, so I'm excited for the result. I'm waiting 10 minutes. If you want it to stay in longer, that means your color is gonna be more vibrant. So
It's and like I said before, it's not gonna be like crazy like cotton candy pink. It's gonna be, you know, like a pale rose gold kind of color.
it's rose. Trust me, I checked with him because I ain't trying to make it look like I have a
But
crisis.
it's temporary, which is nice. So.
I got my other mullet, in case you haven't seen my mullet photo.
Now that's what I'm talking about.
So my 10 minutes is up, which means your girl gonna have to shower because I want that pastel pink with the Wella nudist pink permanent. I want it to literally rinse until there's no pink in it. So wish me luck. We'll see. Okay, y'all, so this is the masterpiece. I love it. For those of you that want to go full pink, you can go full pink. I literally went more pastel, rose gold, more natural, just kind of blending the blonde because none of us can get our hair done. And then there are those that really just want to just do it. And
Yes, absolutely. Best products. Shout out to Wella. I used the entire bottle and worked like a charm. Results.
so if you want pink, just do it wrong. Chic Vids out, you guys. Check out the next video. We have some fun sketches coming up. Subscribe. More tutorials coming. We'll
Bell
see.
button.
Hit the bell button. And don't go crazy. Subscribe for more. Chic Vids out.